What's up, ladies and gents? This is how I made $250 day trading in around, let's see, about 15 minutes. $250 in 15 minutes. I was super risk off today. No news Monday. Really pretty good setup. Did appear in front of my eyes though, so I had to take it. I got stopped out at break even twice, and then ended up in profit at the end of the day for a total of $250. And I'm going to show you what I seen to take this trade and how you could have done the exact same thing. Let's get into it, get on the damn chart, and really look at how I pulled this one off. So, alrighty, let's go ahead and hold up, let me turn my mic down just a tad bit. Take this off. Probably don't really need that too badly, too poorly. That should be pretty good, pretty perfect. I just know sometimes it acts really weird and wants to freaking just cut out and sound really strange. But all right, we can get NASDAQ off of our screen. S&P was the leading index today, so let me show you guys what I was thinking coming into market open. I honestly assumed that we were going to be bearish. I still kind of assume that. I just caught the move. I just kind of caught the balancing move, and I honestly do assume that we will continue to move to EQ of this here. Oh, we've moved to it now, so I kind of caught that almost exactly perfectly. But we move into this weekly gap. We were rejecting it at first. We have overall high time frame bearish. Continuation. We seen just super dump overnight session. Now, first thing, when we came into the market, we immediately put in an SMT between the two indexes. NASDAQ came down and took out these previous Asian lows. S&P stayed above, so bam, we have bullish SMT getting put in. That was the first thing, all right? Now, the second thing that I'm looking for after that is a break of structure to the upside, and either inverse fair value gap or a 5-minute inverse fair value gap or a 15-minute fair value gap to get respected. We had a 5-minute kind of slash a 15-minute that we also had this kind of swing high right here. They got super displaced through broke structure on the 15-minute, so I know that this is a pretty high quality fucking trade entry. And I know that with how much that we've dumped, we're going to want to rebalance to either this fair value gap or just EQ of this daily 4-hour move and continue moving lower. And now it looks like we're displacing through this bearish gap, and that we will probably tap into this 4-hour gap. Like I said, the higher time frames do just hold higher powers. But amazing. Alrighty, so then SMT gets put in. We have London liquidity swept. Sell side is swept. Now what am I looking for? I'm looking for a 15-minute break of structure and some kind of PDRA continuation confirmation, okay? Now, we have this 1-minute bearish gap that gets opened, completely ran through. So, and then also we run through the 1-minute gap and break 5-minute structure in the same candle, okay? This breaks above this. We close way above here. On the 15-minute, we break structure on the 15-minute, close above this swing high. I know that we are going to want to move into this gap, all right? And this was exactly my entry, and here the executions are going to look a little scuffed because I was entering and exiting. So I was not entering and exiting, but I was getting stopped out at break even, and because I was only doing 1 mini today, just with how the bearish momentum, I really wanted to be risk off today, and that's exactly what happened. So let me turn on the executions just so you can see, because I do want to see my first entry. So yeah, I entered a little bit late, and then we came back down, entered, bam. So it looks like here we might have been stopped out at break even. So yeah, hold up, let me pull it up so we can see really quick, because I know I was stopped at break even, then made 100, which is probably this one right here. Yeah, there's that 100. Stopped out, I believe, stopped out at break even. Every single trade, I never exited manually. I was moving my stops to break even just because I know with the higher bullish momentum, or that higher time frame bearish momentum, that we're going to want to probably continue moving lower. So you can see right here, 0, then 100, then break even, then 112, and then 40. Okay. We can see my last exit right here was getting stopped out underneath this low because we just tapped into this gap. But hey, we still hit all 3 take profits. Yo, I'll fucking take it, dude. So just one more time. And also, I honestly could have entered again. It does look like we are going to take out this liquidity as well. We've now opened up this bullish fair value gap, tapped into it, continued to move higher. Still in bullish, still in 15-minute, we probably have a break of structure on the hourly too. Yeah, so hourly break of structure. So it's honestly very plausible that we could come up into this 4-hour, tap it, and then continue moving lower. For me, it's the fact that we hit the 4-hour equilibrium. I believe that we have hit the daily equilibrium as well. Let's see. Actually, no, I don't believe so. If we take it from this higher high to the most recent low, yeah, so we have hit it pretty graciously. Okay. Or hold up, let me see. Actually, no. No. I'm tripping. We haven't yet, which is just right above this high. So this high will probably get taken out. Might see a SMT, bearish SMT of this on Nasdaq potentially. So just really quick, one more time, and I'll show you the SMT on Nasdaq so you can really get a good picture here. Here we have London lows. We come down and sweep that as well, and then also you can see we tap into this gap. Then we accumulate in London session, come back down instantly, take out this. So we have this internal manipulation, which lets me know that we're going to want to move higher now that there's really no form of sell side liquidity. And with the SMT getting put in, this is now high resistance sell side liquidity. So or for me, I always trade away from the high resistance liquidity. And, you can put your stop at the high resistance liquidity to know that your trade idea was wrong, and played out perfectly for me, okay? SMT at the lows right here, at London lows, bam, then hit our 5-minute, our 1-minute. We have this 1-minute inverse fair value gap right here, and the same candle that inverses the fair value gap, we break structure to the upside, closing above 15-minute swing highs, closing above 5-minute break of structure, and then we also no, that's it. That's all we needed, bub. 1-minute inverse fair value gap, amazing fucking trade, hitting 3 take profits, bang bang bang, $250 in around 15 minutes. What more can you ask for? If you guys want to go ahead and join the Discord, it is in my bio. Let me go ahead and doing it every freaking time. Here's the Discord. You can see we got new folks joining every single day. Bam, bam, bam. Ooh, Sophie. What the fuck? I would never even have expected a girl to join. That's insane, but not really. Everyone is trying to fucking trade right now. It's kind of ridiculous a little bit, but hey, they can be my exit liquidity, so that's pretty awesome. But yeah, you can see daily bias. I post daily bias in here every day. You can see what I want to be looking for. Most of the time, I don't post what I am looking for. I post what's most likely to happen, and we can see this is exactly playing out. Exactly what I did is exactly what's playing out. I said I feel like this is what's most likely going to happen. Overnight, we've seen displacement through sell side liquidity. We're now holding the opening gap. I think we're just going to move to the 4-hour gap and continue to move lower, especially with the CPI or PMI yesterday, which normally PMI really isn't something that moves the market a fuck ton, but rates did get cut, which in turn we were bearish for. So heck yeah. But I'm gonna get off here, guys. This was what I caught. The Discord link is going to be in the bio, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. This is the trade, a nice little 2.4 RR. Pretty nice, or I'd say like a 2 RR, because I did get stopped out a little bit before. So it's like right here or something that I got stopped out. So I'll just put a 2 RR, at least a 2 RR wrist. Completely just lost my train of thought. But I'm off here, guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. go do something, go fucking get outside, go do anything. Let me know if you guys traded today. Let me know. Drop in the comments what you did today. If you caught a move, if you didn't trade, if your bias didn't play out, let me know. I'm up 250, and I am up. Actually, I am up for the week. So far for the week, let's see. $575 plus 250, around 850. Or wait. 575. X plus 225, 725, and I believe actually that's the 20th. I think that is. I'm up 800 for the week on a Tuesday. So that's pretty fucking awesome being up $800 on a Tuesday. But yeah, I'm off here. Love y'all. Y'all boys have a good one.